Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing Spartan Hair Shampoo. So if we actually go to Google and search for Spartan Hair Shampoo, let me search that real quick, and let's go to their website right here. And then it says right here, a Spartan Root Activated Shampoo for hair loss protects and stimulates hair follicles to promote healthy growth. You can see first signs of regrowth after only 6 to 8 weeks. So they're making some pretty bold claims here. So this is the before and this is the after. After 6 to 8 weeks, you can make your hair grow back. And if you're wondering if it's true, and as you can see, that you should not believe anything you see here on the website that has reviews, since they could also make them themselves. So for example, you're making a website, you could just add this yourself. You could choose random names and just add reviews yourself. So as you can see here, your ally in fighting hair loss, wake up your hair roots. As you can see, there are a lot of testimonials right here, and it says that you don't need to use hair transplants anymore. This can replace hair transplants. And then right here, I actually saw a Reddit post right here that he was using a Spartan hair shampoo day 1. As you can see, this is day 1 after using Spartan hair shampoo. And then, okay, for anyone wondering, after 6 months, I've been doing the per-recommended recommendations every 2 days, leaving it in, etc., for a month. So far, the results can't be seen. This is after, 2 months. Mostly for the satisfaction guarantee. If I end up submitting a request or refund, I'll let you know that the process went. Okay, this is after 2 months. After that, he posted it again after like 6 months. So good morning, any to all of have been along for the ride. It's been about 6 months for using Spartan shampoo. As you can see from the picture, the results, if there are any, are underwhelming. There may be some new growth. It is hard to tell. So as you can see right here, this is his hair now, and this was his hair before. So it is actually the same. I can't tell the difference. So yeah, you should buy this product at your own use. I'm not saying it's a scam, but it could be, but it's a bit hit or miss since testimonials said that it doesn't work. And yeah, that is it. That is my review for Spartan Hair Shampoo. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.